In today's video, we are unveiling the pros and cons of real estate flipping so that you can make a decision on whether it's the right path for you. Stay tuned. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Pinkney, owner of Pinkney Estates, your source for real estate investing tips for newbies. If this is our first time meeting, please consider subscribing to my channel for weekly real estate investing content. Okay, the pros and cons of real estate flipping. Let's dive in. The pros. Number one, quick profits. One of the main advantages of real estate flipping is the potential for quick profits. Buying properties at a low price, making improvements, and selling them at a higher price, you can generate substantial returns in a relatively short period. Number two, market knowledge. Flipping properties can help you develop a deep understanding of the real estate market, including property values, trends, and local demand. This knowledge can be invaluable for future investments and decision making. Seek market value advice from a local realtor. Number three, creativity and satisfaction. Real estate flipping allows you to be creative in renovating and improving properties. Seeing the transformation of a property and knowing that your efforts contributed to the increase in value can be incredibly satisfying. Now for the cons. Number one, risk. Real estate flipping can be risky, as market conditions can change rapidly and unforeseen issues with the property can arise. It's essential to conduct thorough research, inspections, and budgeting to minimize these risks. Number two, time and effort. Flipping properties can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, especially if you're not managing the renovations yourself. Balancing the demands of flipping with other responsibilities can be challenging. Number three, financial commitment. Real estate flipping often requires a significant financial commitment, including the initial property purchase, renovation costs, and ongoing expenses such as taxes and insurance. Securing financing and managing cash flow is crucial for success in this venture. So there you have it. The pros and cons of real estate flipping for new investors. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential rewards can be significant. If you are considering diving into the world of flipping, make sure to weigh these factors carefully and seek professional advice when needed. It's time for the toasty tip of the day. Toasty! When real estate investing, the first thing you should do before going after a deal is the math. Let me explain. Okay, every time I look to flip a property, I use the 70% rule. In the 70% rule, I make sure that my purchase price, my repairs, and my closing costs does not exceed 70% of the market value. And you guessed it, the rest of that 30% is profit. That concludes this week's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share with your mom and them. Be blessed.